You say do not call this a profit.
No, it's not a profit. I'll explain why. But here's the thing. This is central bank as hedge fund, the world's biggest hedge fund. Ben Bernanke has almost $3 trillion to play with. Forget about it, Jeff Gundlach. Forget about it, Bill Gross. Your bond funds are nothing like this. If you have that kind of money, let's talk coupon clipping. You can come up with an awful lot of income. $88.9 billion is their residual earnings. That's going to be remitted back to the Treasury. You can see that is a record. It's been going up every year since the financial crisis because, of course, they have been buying bonds like crazy. Treasuries, mortgage, agency bonds. Let's take a look at how they made their money. Almost all of it does come from interest income, almost $81 billion. They sold some of the treasuries they held. They made $13 billion off of that. And remember, they took all this maiden lane securities on their balance sheet after they rescued AIG and other companies. They sold off most of that this year, took in $6.1 billion. Now, the Fed ordinarily finances itself by clearing checks and things like that. They made about $451 million on that. So the Fed making an awful lot of money this year, but it's not a profit because, remember, this is money, especially that interest income, that goes from your pocket as a taxpayer to pay those Treasury bonds. The holder just happens to be the Fed, and they give it right back to you, Scarlett. It's not a profit, but it does keep the money from going out of the country.